I'm Doug Crawford with Creative Letterpress in Burbank, California, where we specialize in doing antique printing of wedding invitations, business cards, and folders. I have the Speedy 360 with an 80-watt laser. When I started looking for the lasers, I was looking for one that would be robust, that could handle what I needed to do on a production basis. I was also looking for the latest in technology and a good support team. I got to tell you, since I've had my Trotec, I've had absolutely no issues with it. We do a lot of cutting of leather for custom-made leather goods. We also do a lot of rubber stamps, and we do very intricate rubber stamps for the medical industry as well. And so with the Trotec and a 1.5-inch lens, I can hold down to 4-point type that comes out absolutely flawless. It amazes me every day we turn it on. It just works. We never have any problems. I've called support twice, and both times it was because of something I did wrong. The local support is excellent. Our sales guy is always on the ball and ready to answer any questions that might come about. He answers the phone and gets right back to us. It's been a really great experience owning a Trotec.